From farm to fork, the giant pig's journey. Join us as we embark on an incredible adventure. Have you ever wondered about the journey of the pork chop on your plate? It's a story filled with dedication, innovation, and care. It's a fascinating story that starts with dedicated farmers who work tirelessly to ensure the best care for their pigs and ends with a delicious meal prepared by skilled chefs. Today, we're going behind the scenes to explore the world of modern pig farming. We'll uncover the meticulous processes and the passion that goes into raising these animals. We'll see how giant pigs are raised in spacious, comfortable environments, and how pork is processed in state-of-the-art facilities, ensuring quality and safety. Get ready for a pig-to-pork adventure. From the farm environment where pigs roam and grow, to the production lines where pork products are carefully crafted. We'll delve into the science of selective breeding, discover how farmers use advanced techniques to enhance the genetics of their pigs, ensuring healthier and more robust animals. Discover how farmers use technology to monitor pig health. With the help of tablets and computers, they can track the well-being of each pig, ensuring they receive the best care possible. Learn about the humane practices, ensuring the well-being of these intelligent animals. Farmers are committed to providing a clean, comfortable environment where pigs can thrive. And of course, we'll explore the cutting-edge technology transforming pork processing. From advanced machinery to high-tech equipment, see how innovation plays a crucial role in delivering quality pork products. So, buckle up and get ready to learn about the incredible journey from farm to fork. This is a story of dedication, innovation, and the pursuit of excellence in every step of the process. Breeding giants. Science and selection in pig farming. The giant pigs we see today are not a product of chance. They are the culmination of years of scientific research and selective breeding practices. These impressive animals are the result of generations of careful breeding. Farmers and scientists work together to identify and select pigs with the most desirable traits. Farmers select pigs with desirable traits, such as large size and lean meat. They meticulously examine each pig, looking for those that exhibit the best characteristics. These pigs are then bred to pass on these characteristics to their offspring. The process is repeated over many generations, each time refining and enhancing the traits that are most beneficial. Over time, this selective breeding leads to significant changes in the pig population. Pigs become larger, leaner, and more efficient at converting feed into meat. This efficiency is crucial for modern farming, as it allows farmers to produce more meat with fewer resources. Pigs become larger, leaner, and more efficient at converting feed into meat. But it's not just about size. Farmers also focus on other important traits. Farmers also focus on traits like disease resistance and temperament. Healthy pigs that are resistant to common diseases reduce the need for medical interventions and ensure a more stable and productive herd. They want pigs that are healthy, grow quickly, and are easy to handle. A calm temperament makes pigs easier to manage, reducing stress for both the animals and the farmers. This selective breeding process is crucial for efficient and sustainable pork production. By focusing on these traits, farmers can ensure that their operations are both productive and humane. It ensures consumers get high-quality pork products. The end result is a supply of pork that is not only abundant but also of the highest quality, meeting the demands of consumers around the world. The science and selection in pig farming represent a blend of tradition and innovation, ensuring that the industry continues to thrive and evolve. As we look to the future, the ongoing advancements in breeding techniques and technology promise even greater improvements in pig farming, benefiting both farmers and consumers alike. A pig's diet fueling growth and health. Just like humans, pigs need a balanced diet to thrive. Their diet is a crucial aspect of their overall well-being and growth. Without the right nutrients, pigs can suffer from various health issues, just like people do. Modern pig farming relies on specially formulated feed to meet their nutritional needs at every stage of life. These feeds are designed to support pigs from the moment they are born until they reach maturity, ensuring they get the best possible start and continue to grow healthily. These diets are carefully calibrated to provide the right amounts of protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Each ingredient is measured with precision to ensure that the pigs receive a balanced diet that supports their growth and health. The feed typically includes ingredients like corn, which is a great source of energy for the pigs, soybeans, which provide essential proteins, and wheat, which adds necessary fiber to their diet. It is often fortified with essential nutrients for optimal growth and health. These added nutrients help to prevent deficiencies and promote overall well-being. This ensures the pigs grow at a healthy rate and develop strong bones and muscles. A well-balanced diet is key to their physical development and helps them to build the strength they need. The right diet is crucial for producing high-quality pork. The quality of the meat is directly influenced by what the pigs eat, making their diet an essential factor in the farming process. It also plays a vital role in maintaining the overall health and well-being of the animals. Regular checkups by veterinarians and careful monitoring by farmers ensure that the pigs remain healthy and happy, contributing to a successful farming operation. High-tech hogs technology and modern pig farming. Technology plays a crucial role in modern pig farming. Farmers use various technologies to monitor the health, growth, and well-being of their pigs. One example is the use of sensors in barns. These sensors track temperature, humidity, and air quality. They help farmers create the optimal environment for pig growth and health. Another example is precision feeding systems. These systems automatically dispense the correct amount of feed to each pig based on its individual needs. This ensures that each pig receives the right amount of nutrients, reducing waste and promoting healthy growth. Technology is transforming pig farming, making it more efficient, sustainable, and humane.
Know you've been a good friend.
Section 5. On the road again. Transporting pigs with care. Transporting animals can be stressful. The pork industry takes significant steps to ensure pigs are transported humanely and safely. Farmers work with experienced livestock haulers who understand the importance of animal welfare. Trucks used to transport pigs are designed with their comfort in mind. They have climate control systems to maintain a comfortable temperature. The trucks also have ample space to prevent overcrowding. Experienced handlers ensure the pigs are loaded and unloaded carefully to minimize stress. The industry adheres to strict regulations and guidelines to guarantee the humane treatment of animals during transportation. Section 6. Modern meat inside a pork processing plant. Modern pork processing plants are designed for efficiency and hygiene. They use advanced technology and automation to ensure a safe and humane process. Upon arrival at the plant, pigs are humanely stunned to render them insensible to pain. This is a crucial step to minimize any potential suffering. The automated processing line ensures precision and speed. Skilled workers oversee the process, ensuring quality control at every stage. Modern processing plants adhere to the highest standards of cleanliness and food safety. They have rigorous inspection protocols to guarantee the production of safe and high-quality pork products. Section 7. Sustainable swine, reducing the environmental impact. The pork industry is committed to sustainability. Farmers are constantly innovating to reduce their environmental impact. One area of focus is manure management. Pig manure is a valuable resource. It can be used as fertilizer, reducing the need for chemical alternatives. Some farms even use anaerobic digesters to convert manure into biogas. This biogas can then be used to generate electricity, powering the farm, and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Farmers also implement water conservation measures and adopt practices that minimize their carbon footprint. The goal is to produce pork sustainably, while protecting the environment for future generations. Section 8. From pen to plate. Enjoying the fruits of modern farming. When you sit down to a meal featuring pork, take a moment to appreciate the journey. From the farm to your plate, countless people work to bring you this delicious and nutritious food. Modern pig farming practices ensure that pork is produced efficiently, sustainably, and humanely. Farmers, scientists, veterinarians, and food processing professionals work together to provide consumers with safe, high-quality pork products. So, next time you enjoy a juicy pork chop or savory bacon, remember the incredible journey from pen to plate.